What I got here today is a brand new Cobra 29 LTD Classic. It's a 2016 radio. It's got the 180 degree green LED light in the meter there. This radio's got the high power MOSFET conversion done to it with all the companion parts. So this baby's pretty powerful. It's got the 13N10 MOSFET final, which is the same as the Striker radios. So she does pretty good. In the receiver, it's got Schottky diodes and a high gain transistor, so you'll get better sensitivity and lower noise. Let's go ahead and check it out on the meter. 10 watt slug. We got 6 watts right here, 7 watts right here. Coming in right at 7 watts. Peak power. Putting in a 50 watt slug. So we got a 50 watt slug. We're in this middle scale here. So we got 30 watts, 40 watts, 45 watts. Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. Audio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. So you can see it's swinging 45 watts. Pretty powerful. Right here in the channel 9 switch, I added talkback. So you go ahead and flip this switch right here. That'll turn on your talkback. Radio check 1, 2. Radio. It's got a Connex echo board right here in the Delta tune spot. How about a 1-9? Anybody out there? Break, break. And you can adjust it. Hello, check. Hello. Well, you turn it off. Turn your talkback off. Well, there you have it, folks. It's a very good, clean, strong running radio. Thanks for watching.